Okay guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're gonna make something nice, something delicious, something very easy guys. And the star of the day today is my canned callaloo guys. This is the star of the day, okay? We're gonna make some callaloo, but out of the can we're gonna make it guys, okay? Guys, so check it out. Well soft, nice and rich. You know.
Str8yaad, big up myself.
Big up Str8yaad TV. The food was amazing. Food was 10 out of 10. Of course, one Str8yaad TV, one.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel guys. Today we're gonna make something nice, something delicious, something very easy guys. And the star of the day today is my canned callaloo guys. This is the star of the day, okay? We're gonna make some callaloo, but out of the can we're gonna make it guys, okay? And this is the Linstead callaloo. Alright, so we're gonna cook up some callaloo. These are ingredients. We have a tomato. We have a tomato here. We have a bell pepper here. A piece of onion here. We have a couple okras here, like 6 okra. We're gonna use them. We have some garlic here. We have with Scallion, green onion, whatever you guys call it. We have with thyme. So that's basically what we're gonna use. And we have over here where we easy spice, no MSG, straight from Jamaica. We have a little black pepper, fresh grind black pepper. Little Miss Maggie. That's basically it we're gonna use for seasoning guys, okay? Cause you know you're cooking saltfish and callaloo. When you're cooking saltfish and callaloo guys, you don't need a lot of seasoning or salt and all these things because you're gonna have this bad boy here, okay? This is what we're gonna cook it with. Some saltfish guys, bacalao. See? So we have 2 nice saltfish here. We're gonna scald them off, boil them off, take out most of the sodium, leave back a little in it for flavor in the callaloo. So we're not gonna use no salt, okay? And over here we're gonna use some potato. We're gonna cook some brown provision guys, quick and fast. So we have some potato here. We have some green banana here, and we have some flour dumpling here, guys. That's what we're gonna match up with it, okay? So stay tuned and watch the video, guys. This one is gonna be quick, it's gonna be nice, it's gonna be very healthy. So stay tuned, watch the video, guys. And remember, as soon as they come on, like and share. Thumbs up the video, guys. Give it a boost and let the video go across. Without you guys, we cannot go. One Str8yaad TV. Okay, guys. So right now I have a pot here boiling. I just turn it on. I just rinse off the saltfish. I'm gonna put it in the pot guys to let it boil out some of the sodium or the salt, whatever you guys call it, same thing. So let it stay there. Gonna boil it and take out some of the salt. Then we're gonna turn on this one guys. This is gonna be the food provision pot, okay? So let it start to boil. I'm gonna turn him on. Drop a little salt in him. Kill out any impurities out of the water, okay? Basically that way. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start to get going prepping all these things. Get ready, need the flour. Cause like I say, it's a quick and fast pot, okay? So stay tuned, watch what I'm going. Okay guys, so I have a little flour in the plate here. And I have some cornmeal with my salt. So right away I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up guys, because like I say, it's a quick and fast one. And we're not gonna make a lot of dumpling too, just a few, okay? Guys, I think I show you how to knead flour already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up this real fast and come right back to you guys, okay? Yeah, my people. Make some quick dumpling, yeah? You know how it go. Some nice callaloo and saltfish with some boiled dumpling. Some boiled banana. A little bit of sweet potato, you know how it going on earlier. Nice, guys. Yeah, my people, so that is it. See there? Make him soak, you know, a little bit. It there. Put down that. Get that out of the way. Now we're gonna get the banana peeling. Big dumpling, my people. Just some potato small, peeling. Nice okay. And get that out of the way too. So guys, stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Okay, guys. So the pot is about to boil in. So I'm gonna get my banana peel up quick and fast, like I said. Dumpling already need and put down, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel my banana now. Peel my potato to add in the pot. You know it go. Because the water is already getting boiled, guys. And when I'm cooking, it's moving fast. Alright, stay tuned, watch what I go on. I'll show you when I get in the pot, guys. Okay. Okay, my peeps, you can see as the pot is boiling. Just pull off the cover. So I'm gonna go ahead right now and make dumpling and put in the pot, get in the rest of stuff. Like I said, this one is gonna be quick and fast, okay? Easy, guys. So stay tuned and watch where I'm going. Stay tuned, guys. Watch where I'm going on Str8yaad TV. Up and running. Alright, people. See? 6 dumplings we make. Only 6. Alright, so we'll go ahead. Give it a 1 stir so they don't stick easily. See? Yeah, give it a 1 stir like that, people. And then we're going to get the banana now and the sweet potato. So stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Alright, people. Flour in a pot. So I go add the banana them. You understand? We already teach you how to peel banana, you know, people. So you can go back and watch the video them. We'll get the potato peel and then we'll come back. And then in a no time, we finish with the food preparation part, okay? We have to work on the saltfish and callaloo. Okay, my peeps. Right now, so we have the purple potato here. I'll put it in a pot, you know, guys. It's going to change even the water. This potato is like St. Vincent yam. When you boil it in a pot, water changes. See that? Purple. So, alright. That is it. We're going to move on to the callaloo and the saltfish and my people. Make the pot. Go and do some work with the fire right now. Okay? So, stay tuned. Watch the video. Okay, guys. So, right away, as you see, the saltfish is already cooked, guys. So, I'm going to take it off. I'm going to put on a next pot, guys. This is the pot I'm going to cook up this saltfish in with the callaloo. I'm turning off that fire for now, though. And guys, you see the food pot? I tell you, everything is going to be purple. The color is going to be purple. That's the strength of the potato, okay? But everything is good same way. Don't worry about it. It's a nice color. So we're going to clean this up. Wash it off, pick it out, take out the bone. And come right back to you guys and get cooking with the saltfish. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Okay, my people. Right now we switch the pot. Put this one back. See? This one is done, you know. It's just on low to keep it warm, my peeps. Alright? So this is done. Now we are going to deal with the saltfish and the callaloo. So right now, I'll go in with some oil. I have 100% avocado oil here, guys. I can use any oil of your choice, okay? Sometimes I use olive oil, sometimes I use avocado oil. Avocado oil is better with heat. It stands heat more than the olive oil. Okay. So right away, so we go ahead and my people, and we cut up all our season already. Have them prep, ready to go. So right away we have a tomato. We'll get them in the pot right away. Our fresh thyme, I'll get it in right away too. Now cut it up. Our sweet pepper, bell pepper, guys, red bell pepper. Alright. Alright. We're not going to add the garlic and the onion yet, guys, because we don't want them to burn, okay? So stay tuned. Watch what I go on. Okay, guys, so we just let this cook up for a little bit, like about 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Okay, you know them have to cook properly, you know, guys. These seasons have to cook properly, okay? Now we're going to add in the onion. And with scallion, you understand? And we'll cook, make that syrup a little bit. Guys, you want to smell the flavor? Yeah, this is all natural season, guys. Best season to use. So I'm going to put the garlic on top. I'm not going to stir it yet. I know the garlic is easy to burn. I'm going to cook up that for a little bit. Let the fire do some work, guys. Because we soon finish cooking, you know, guys. Soon time to eat. So stay tuned. Watch what I'm going. Okay, my people. Check it out, you see. Season them cook properly, guys. This is what we're talking about. You have to cook and season them properly. You don't want to eat something on the season or half cook. Especially the onion and those things. They don't taste good like and the sweet pepper. You don't need them to be half cooked, okay? Don't taste good to me. You need them to fully cook. So right away we are going with the saltfish, as you see. Clean up the saltfish already and pick it up and wash it out, guys. Leave the amount of sodium that we need in it for the callaloo. Alright, so we are going to add him in a pot now. Where else gone? Alright, the people. That is it. Right away. We are going with some freshly ground black pepper, my people. And guys, remember, when I make this food, try them at home, guys. Do the same thing. Perfect flavor you're coming out with, okay? So right now we put on with black pepper and you get a stir it up. See that, people? So beautiful this is and how nice this is. This can't eat just like that, you know, people. Just like that. You can't eat it just the same way without nothing at all. Just the same way like this. Call this cook up saltfish. Okay? So beautiful it is. Yes, my people, this is what we're talking about. So right away, cover up it and if you go and steam out a little bit, I'm going to get the callaloo ready, guys, and come right to you now. Okay, guys, so here's the callaloo. We're going to open it to have a knife here quick and fast. We're going to use a knife and cut it. Guys, you can use a can cutter for safety. Okay? Don't follow me. I use anything I catch to open can, guys. Quick and fast, okay? See? Just like that, quick and fast. See? So what we are going to do? We are going to strain off the water, guys, that it come with. We don't need this in the pot. I'm going to strain this off, all off, okay? And then we're going in straight to the pot, guys. So stay tuned. Watch what go on. Right away we are going in the pot. Alright, guys, let's see we strain it off and everything. The saltfish is already here cooking up nicely. So we're gonna add the callaloo, guys. Okay. Remember this callaloo come already cooked, guys. You gotta know how to basically just heat it up. So alright, we are going to stir them up with this saltfish and all my people. Incorporate everything, you know how it go. At this point we can take out the thyme them now too. I already do them work. Okay. Right now you don't want to eat no callaloo and thyme, okay? So you take out the thyme them. Okay. So basically what we are going to do with this, we are going to just warm it up, my people, cook it up a little bit more. And then we're ready to eat. So what we're going to do is just drop a little water on it. Just to make a little gravy, okay? Not a lot, just a little like that. Yeah. Because I don't use a lot of oil, my people. A lot of people like oil, I don't like oil that much. I mostly use water nowadays. See it there. So I'm going to cover it up and make it warm up for like a 10 minutes or say about 7 minutes, guys, and then we're done. Alright? On a low fire, alright? So stay tuned, watch what I go on. Next time open the pot, time to eat. Okay, my beautiful people. Right now, My viewers and my subscribers, you see what I go on with the pot? See it there? Looking very good, guys. All I'm gonna do is add a little bit of my Miss Maggie to it, you know? Jet him up a little bit, you know? Just a little bit, you don't need a lot. And that is it, my people. See, build its own juice and everything. With the little bit of water that I add to it. But I don't need no lot of water, you know, guys. I don't need a lot. This is perfect. Alright. So 2 more minutes, guys. And we're done. Now stay tuned. Watch it. We're gonna cover up the pot and make the fire. Do the work, guys. So stay tuned. Remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. And tell a friend, tell a friend. Check out the channel. Crazy menu going on over here, guys. Okay? Str8yaad TV up and running. Okay, my people. Look at it. This is it, guys. This is it. So we're gonna serve out some food now. So we are gonna turn off the fire. Alright, my people. Let's share out some food now, guys. Finish. Ready to eat. Okay, guys, this is it. We have come to the end of this beautiful video, guys. Quick and fast, easy, nice and healthy thing, guys. You can do it in the morning for breakfast, you can do it for dinner, you can do it for lunch, anything you want to do it for, guys. So check it out. Here we go. With nice boiled banana here. There's some 2 nice dumplings. There's some okras that we cook on the side. And with purple potato, guys, sweet potato. And this is the saltfish with the callaloo, guys. Cook up in the can. So guys, this is the way you cook up your callaloo in the can, guys. So check it out. Guys, you want to meet it. This one is very nice. Check it out. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And tell a friend, guys. All of the ingredients will be listed down below, guys, so you can check it out and do it for yourself. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, like I say. And tell a friend, we out.